Alright, today we're going to review the MRT C7 Corvette exhaust. This happens to be on a Grand Sport. Pretty badass car. These cars come from the factory with the option of the dual mode exhaust, and it's kind of cool technology. If you haven't heard about it, or if your vehicle doesn't have it, it's where you have the ability to open a valve electronically in the exhaust and change the path of the exhaust from a stock sound, which is pretty unimpressive, to a little bit more impressive or a little bit louder. The problem with it is it's very restrictive in terms of flow, and though it sounds cooler, it's just not cool enough. This is a freaking Corvette with a badass engine. This is American icon, and it needs to sound like it. So that's what the exhaust is that we've developed. So the MRT exhaust system, I warn you, is not dual mode. It is full-time badass. So let's go for a ride. Let's see what it's like. We're going to do some around town. We're going to do some highway, see what it's like on the highway, and just get a feel for it. So at startup, primary difference is I can hear it. Sounds cool. Give it some gas. I feel like I'm in a badass American muscle car. So we're just doing some around town. So 1800, 2300 RPM type driving range, nothing too crazy. And we have exhaust presence, though it's not crazy. Get off the gas, start to decel, and it sounds cool. It's got a little burble, a little gravel, a little fun, and that's kind of what these cars are about. Alright, so next we're going to get out on a little bit higher speed side road, do some acceleration. Acceleration isn't fun for you, you may not be part of this world anymore. That was freaking awesome. Sounds cool, makes all the right noises, acceleration is great. This is the definition of fun to drive right here. Alright, so next we're going to hop on the highway and see what our sound is like at cruising speed. We want to hit in the 70 to 80 range just to make sure that we have good comfort while cruising, which means that we don't have obnoxious drone or resonance, any sort of howl that would make it less fun to drive. Comfortable, tip into it, get a little acceleration, a little bit more exhaust presence, a little load, and still very, very comfortable. I'm not picking up on any discernible resonance, drone, anything that would be uncomfortable, harsh, objectionable, any of those bad words, not here. So, full-time fun, American badass that you can drive and live with. This is what's going on my Corvette.